Alright, y'all. So it's off. It's off. There was a bolt right here. That was crazy. This is the mid pipe. Eventually I'm gonna change to the power bomb mid pipe. You know what I'm saying? Have all that loaded up. And the exhaust system will hook up from there into these 3 connections, and then I will put that on the side cover, which is still pretty. Make sure that's clean. And look at the heavy exhaust. Damn. Nah, this shit may weigh like 10 pounds, man. Woo! And when I get the Delkevic 9-inch exhaust, I'm gonna let y'all know the weight of it compared to this one, because this joint is like 10 pounds. So you don't want that on it. You want something light. My bad, y'all. I'm at the point right now where I got everything tightened up here. Check the room that I had back here for the exhaust. I think I did a great job. I added the heat tape up there, the sealant that they provided. I got this bolt back here tight with the sealant on it, and now I'm about to tighten up these 3 bolts right here and check the space that I have from back in here. But the clearance, I'm trying to see the clearance between. Okay, it's some heat shield under there already. I was just worrying about, like, is it going to melt my plastics or not? But this is the Delkevic 9-inch slip-on oval. Profile looks good. Just one thing left to do, y'all, is hear it. It doesn't stick out far. You got a whole bunch of room between here. That's why I didn't really get the 14. It would have been like all the way out here. Plus I heard the short stubby 9-inch oval joints is pretty loud. I don't know if you can see in there, but the baffle is still in there. That's the baffle inside. I'm gonna leave the baffle in for now, because I mean, as long as I got the power, I really don't care about the noise. I still got the stock filter in the airbox. It's behind here. I might change that soon, just to get a can-in one, better airflow. Besides that, this project is complete. I'm not going to run it now because I'm not going nowhere, and I don't want to just have all that condensation inside without it running for a good amount of time, you know, to really bring it in. But I'm happy how it sounds, and I think I'm gonna fire it up one time, just to hear it for a couple seconds. Yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I couldn't wait. The Delkevic exhaust is on, and I'm about to fire it up for you guys to let you hear how it sounds. Everything has clearance. Everything is very clear in there. Nothing touching. Everything is proper. But here we go. On this side. So, I'm in neutral. Got 76 miles on this bike. Here we go. all I needed. That's all I needed to hear. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Delkevic, great job.